Now I'm crashing out. Because now I'm going to crash out and I don't give a f. I want you to die, but I want you to die slow. I'm going to be done with this marriage. Like, I feel like I'm tied up.
A lot of drama.
Stood up my kids 3 times. He has seen Blossom only like 5 times.
Oh, snappity, snap, snap.
So my kids got their own driver. They picked them up from school. They dropped them off. The kid's driver is on a retainer for $10,000 a month. Culture School this year, you didn't pay for it. That's $45,000. Wave School a year is $35,000. My cousin babysits Wave and Culture. She gets paid $3,000 a week. The nanny was $700 a day. The baby's nanny is $500 a day now because she's not staying the whole day. Culture and Wave gets tutoring 4 times a week by the hour. So that's 2 hours, 1 hour for Culture, 1 hour for Wave. Each hour is $250. So count that up. That's 4 times a week.
About what anybody says. Like, don't worry about nobody. Don't ever let them take you down because those people are they're really miserable.
But nothing in this world that I like more than checks.
If Offset is granted spousal support, he could net major bucks from Cardi, who is worth an estimated $80 million.
Look like, you know what I'm saying, a scrumptious piece of iron.
Each spouse is entitled to the style of living that they had when they were married. So if one is making a lot more money than the other, then that person may be entitled to pay spousal support. If they are doing financially well themselves, that's going to offset whatever spousal support obligation the court will find.